Heading to Maralal via the scenic A4 road, a journey through rugged hills, vast landscape, and pure adventure. This is the road so far. Let's go. Every great road trip starts with snacks and maybe a little overpacking, just in case we end up in the wild. You never know. Look at that view. You can't just drive past Mount Kenya without stopping. Absolutely stunning. This is Rumuruti, or Remote Route, the headquarters of Laikipia County, a crossroads between Kikuyu farmlands and the Samburu rangelands. We take the left at the roundabout, heading into the heart of Samburu County. The rains have turned the quarries into sparkling lakes. Surrounded by vibrant green, we are cruising, slowly waiting for the convoy to catch up. The convoy are here, the Toyota Noah and Kefa's Subaru Forester, but the rest are still making their way. No rush, the road is still long. Zooming past Kefa on this flawless stretch of the A4, it feels that the road was made for this moment. everything's alive and green. The rains really worked its magic. It's a friendly battle on wheels, overtaking each other and flexing our horsepowers like bros.
Hey, my guys.
First stop in the wild. Time to stretch our legs and wait for the rest of the convoy to catch up. First sign of a coolant leak on the Subaru. Just a few drops under the Forester. The temperature gauges looked fine, so we decided to keep going. In hindsight, maybe we should have stopped. Convoy complete, spirits high, time to light up the F4 and keep pushing north. Second stop, that small leak we had earlier, it's now becoming a big problem. The temperature gauge is rising and it feels like a ticking time bomb.
Hapo katikati. Hapo. You even have space. Mimi nimefanya maji yake hapa inamwagika kama imekuwa hivyo ama inaanza sasa.
We kept going, knowing full well it could cost us. A gamble that didn't pay off. Voxy Hybrid versus the Toyota Noah Petrol. Voxy saves fuel with smooth hybrid power, while the Noah delivers strong, steady petrol performance. Both comfy, both reliable, just different vibes on the road. The Subaru was nowhere to be seen on the side mirror, so he decided to make the call and double back. The temperature gauge was on the roof. Overheating was no longer a warning, it was a fact. A decision was made to keep moving, putting the struggling Subaru at the front. Another gamble, another costly decision. That was it. The Subaru could not take it anymore. Overheated, unresponsive, and stranded in the middle of nowhere. 3 warnings, 3 neglects. Boom, we are done.
Record bara tukumbuke hii siku.
The verdict? Blown head gasket. The engine was done. We were officially stranded. Open the radiator cap. Nothing. The radiator was bone dry. Not a single drop of coolant in sight. With the engine done, the Forester was towed into Maralal town. The journey was long and full of challenges, but we finally reached our goal. The Rurashio ceremony awaited. And someone joked, apparently, if you were to buy that old lorry, you automatically inherit the driver at no extra charge. The singing at the gate isn't just for fun. It's a Kikuyu custom. And yes, the ladies behind the gate expect a little something before they let you through. Wanataka kitu kidogo, kachai. A beautiful Kikuyu custom. The groom must identify his bride among a group of veiled women. A test of love, memory, and maybe nerves too. If he gets it wrong, oh my God, he faces a serious fine. The groom identifies his bride correctly. Joy, laughter, and singing follow. Soon after, the mood shifts as the elders from both families sit down to begin the sacred dowry talks. The dowry talks didn't end quickly. They carried it late into the night, and with every detail carefully weighed. It took time, patience, and respect. But by 8 p.m., both sides had come to an agreement. The dowry talks were complete. A long journey, a beautiful tradition, and moments we won't forget. Now we begin the road back home. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the ride, make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe to The Road So Far. For more epic road trips and real life adventures, subscribe.